Yo, 𝐂𝐚𝐜 over here, and today 𝐦𝐵 got another special car for you. Check this out. Introducing BMW 120 Cabriolet. Okay, this car is very special. I apologize, it's a bit dirty. Haven't even washed, just received only. I already want to show you because this is such a great buy. I mean, okay, let's have a quick overview. First things first, we got BBS rims with upgraded brake kit. Very nice. M stitching on the headrest, also very nice. Behind got a 𝐂𝐚𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐨𝐧 exhaust tip, also very nice. This is a cabriolet, very rare, very cool. So, like I say, this is a great deal for you to get because it's still got 5 years left on the COE and the depreciation is only 12.3K. This is by far the cheapest in the market. So don't hesitate. Faster call, faster get. Before Chinese New Year, you want to roll up in style? This is the car for you. Now call me, 𝐦𝐵 give you a good deal.